everyone. So today we're going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul. This is just going to be a haul of new things that I found at the Dollar Tree and like some name brand cleaning items that I was able to find as well. So let's just get right into it. So the first items that I picked up were some body care items. They had some new items for Valentine's Day to put together a gift for your loved one. So I decided to pick some up to try. The first item that I got was this body polish. It says it's a moisturizing body polish and it's in the scent coconut oil and sea salt. I think this is like a body scrub, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know. But yeah, I think this is a body scrub. It says it's for all skin types. I also got this in the French vanilla and citrus scent as well. So the next item that I picked up was a paper facial mask. It says it's moisturizing, it smooths, softens, and repairs. And I also picked that one up in the French lavender and citrus as well. So like all these items I got in both scents. The next thing I picked up was a moisturizing body oil. And then I also picked up a moisturizing body cream. And again, I got those in the French lavender and citrus scent as well. So yeah, I'm really excited to try these items, especially since they look like really good quality. The item that I picked up were these Clorox Fragancia wipes, and they're in the spring scent. They say they're multi-purpose cleaning wipes, and they look like this. They're like real deal cleaning wipes. They come with 40 wipes, and yeah, they smell really good. And yeah, I picked up 2 of these because I just couldn't believe that this was in the Dollar Tree. So yeah, I'm excited to use these and see how I like them. Next item that I found at the Dollar Tree was this Glade spray, and it's in the scent Lemon Fresh. I could not believe they had Glade spray and they got Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. I think I had seen this before, but I never really thought to pick it up because it was just one. But I realized that you kind of only need one, especially if you cut it in half. So I think this is a really good thing that you can get at the Dollar Tree. The item that I was able to find was this Pet Fresh Arm & Hammer carpet. What is this? Carpet odor eliminator. It's just a little stuff that you sprinkle on your carpet and vacuum up. And this is the pet kind. So they also had just like another scent, if I'm not mistaken, but we have a dog, so I use the Pet Fresh kind. Some Dawn dish detergent. I picked up 2 of these, and they are 8 fluid ounces. However, they are like normal Dawn, so you don't really have to use a lot, as opposed to if you got like a standard Dollar Tree dishwashing detergent, then you would have to use like more. So to get the Dawn kind, it actually is a pretty good amount for your dog. That's it for the name brand cleaning items that I was able to find. But I did find one more name brand item that I use on a daily basis, and it's for my children. It is the Baby Dove Sensitive Moisture Body Wash. And it's a small bottle. It's only 1.8 fluid ounces, but the fact that I was able to find this was amazing because my daughter has eczema, so we use this type of body wash so that her skin can remain smooth and soft. And I was just so excited when I seen this in the Dollar Tree. I was like, oh my goodness, like this is perfect. So yeah, they had this, and I picked up like I think 2 or 3 bottles of this since it was just $1, and it is kind of small, but it goes away kind of slow because I mean they're babies, so they don't really need a lot of body wash. But yeah, I was able. So the next items that I was able to find are some items that kind of mimic or are dupes for name brand items that you can find in other big stores. The first ones that I picked up were these candles, and they're by the brand Air Fresh, and I believe they're supposed to mimic sort of oh, it says compared to Glade. So this is in the scent Cashmere Woodlands. And it smells really good. The name of the Glade one, I think I have seen it, and it is very similar to the name Cashmere Woodlands. So these are like exact dupes, I really believe, for the Glade candles. I also picked up the Magnolia and Cherry Blossom scent. It just looks like this. As well as the Angel Orchid, and this one's my favorite. And it just looks like this. So yeah, I'm really excited to burn these and see what they kind of burn. Next item that I found was a scented oil warmer, and it's by the brand Sure Scents, and it looks like this. It has a little seashell on the front of it, and they also had some other ones that had butterflies. So if you like the butterfly theme, you can go with that. The actual scented oil that goes with this was sold out at my local Dollar Tree, so I will have to either order that or check back with them at another time. So the next item that I was able to find was a rather unique sort of item. It's a push and spray dispenser and refill. And it says compare to Glade Scents and Spray. I never heard of that item before. However, when I looked it up online, I thought that this was a better deal to purchase because I think like 3 of these were somewhere from like $7 to $10. And if you're going to purchase multiple ones of the refill, I think it's better to probably just go ahead and maybe throw away the whole thing and just go buy another one, because you can get the dispenser and the spray for $1 rather than having to purchase multiple ones of these and pay like $10. So it's probably better just to go ahead and get this kind unless you want like a different scent. And it just has the directions on the back for how to use it. The Kiss Gel Strong Nail Polish. I had bought several of these before, but I just thought it was worth mentioning because these polishes actually last so long and they're really shiny and they look really pretty. So yeah, I picked up this. And again, for $1, I think this is well worth it because nail polish runs out very slowly. The last things that I picked up from the Dollar Tree were these laundry baskets. They always have laundry baskets in the cutest colors. I picked them up in gray just because I feel like they're neutral and I like to keep my home kind of neutral, and I didn't want to pick up any like orange or pink or blue baskets, but they definitely have those colors if you want them, but I just got the gray ones instead of picking up the standard white ones. So that's it for my Dollar Tree haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope that your local Dollar Tree carries some of these items because they're really affordable and you can get some good quality items out of the Dollar Tree. So I hope that this haul was helpful just to give you an idea of some things that you can pick up and buy next time you're in there. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video.